Hi, this is Sade Simone. Thank you for watching my video. I made a previous video talking about multiplying fractions, and in this video we'll be talking about multiplying mixed numbers, which has a couple more steps compared to multiplying just fractions. And with all videos, if you have a question, put it in the comment section. And please like and share my videos, and if you would like to see more math content, please subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Hi, in this video we're going to be multiplying mixed numbers. So let's get started. We're going to be using 2 1/3, multiplying it by 5 3/8. First thing that we're going to do to multiply mixed numbers, we first need to have our mixed numbers into improper fractions. So with that process, please refer to another one of my videos if you need an in-depth example of changing mixed numbers into improper fractions. But let's start. So we're going to change 2 1/3 to a mixed number, and you end up having 7/3. And to change 5 3/8 into a mixed number, you're going to get 8 times 5. That's going to give you 40, and then 40 plus 3, you end up getting 43/8. Now that we have them both into improper fractions, you're going to multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator to get your answer. For our numerator, we're going to get 301. And for our denominator, we're going to get 24. After that, we see that we have an improper fraction, a really large improper fraction. So to the side, we're going to divide out 24 into 301. So for those that do not have a calculator for you to be able to use in class, you need to do the long division way. 24 cannot go into 3. And I'm going to use a different color. 24 cannot go into 3. 24 can go into 30 one time. So I'm now going to do 24. 30 minus 24. That's going to give us 6. We're now going to bring down our 1. So now we have 61. 24 can go into 61 two times. So we now have 48. We're going to subtract 61 minus 48, and we get 13 is our remainder. We've already gone, we're not going to do decimals. We're going to keep this as a fraction. We're left with the remainder of 3 with 13, which is now going to be our numerator for our fraction, and 24 is going to be our denominator. 12 is our whole number. So for our answer, we're going to have 12 is our whole number, numerator of 13, denominator of 24. We will double check to see if we can reduce our answer, and 13 over 24 cannot be reduced, so we're going to leave it as is. I'm going to do another example of multiplying mixed numbers for you. With this one, we're going to start off with the fractions of the mixed numbers of 3 2/5 multiplied by 4 1/6. Just like with the previous problem, we're going, since these are mixed numbers, we need to change them into improper fractions, and then we're able to multiply them. So we're going to do 3 times 5, that gives us 15. 15 plus 2, that gives us 17 for our numerator. Denominator of 15. And remember, if you have problems with changing a mixed number to an improper, refer back to my video of changing mixed numbers to improper fractions. And now we have 4 times 6, that gives us 24, plus 1, that gives us 25 for our numerator. Our denominator is 6. Just like with the last problem, we're going to multiply our denominators times denominators and our numerators times numerators. We're now going to multiply 25 times 7, and 25 times 7 gives us 425. It gives us 425, and then we're having a denominator of 30. After that, we see that we have a very large fraction. So what we need to do is divide 30 into 425 to see how many times we can divide it in there, so we can find out our mixed number. So we have 30 being divided into 425. Now 30 cannot go into 4, so we put an X. 30 can go into 42 one time. We have 30. We have a remainder of 12. We bring down our 5. 30 can go into 125 4 times because remember 3 times 4 is 12 and we're adding a 0. So we're left with 120 with a remainder of 5. And that's supposed to be a 5 down there. Sorry, guys. Now that 5 is going to be our numerator for our fraction. Our whole number is 14. And then our denominator is 30. This one can be reduced by 5 before we do our final answer. Because remember, our answers always need to be in simplest form. So we're now going to have 14 as our whole number. 1 over, 6. That is now our final answer. And remember, if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you want to see any other math work. And also, don't forget to like and share my video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.